Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to mute or unmute yourself on Clubhouse. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. Clubhouse is an audio-only social media platform where you can create a room and chat with your friends. You can also create a room or event and hold a conference. Now I'll just quickly create a room. And the room is created. And here you will see that I'm speaking. Now to mute yourself, tap on the microphone icon on bottom right corner. And now you will see that my microphone is muted and it is indicated. And now whatever I say, no one will be able to hear me. Now to unmute, tap on the microphone icon on bottom right corner again. And your microphone will be unmuted. And that's how you can mute or unmute yourself on Clubhouse. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.